Hello, I'm Julia and I'm one of the librarians at the Storms Research Center. Today I'm going to talk to you about the SRC online catalog and how to use it. You can access the catalog through the SRC Resources tab in Blackboard or through the library page on the Valley Forge website. The SRC catalog can be used to find the physical location of materials in the library, including books, DVDs, and CDs. You should not use the SRC catalog to search for articles. You won't find them here. That's what the databases are for. The catalog is just for items that are physically located in the SRC. So let's start with a simple search. Say you know a specific title that you want or a specific author. You can type the title in this box and select Title from the drop-down menu. Or you can put in the author's name and select Author. You could also just search for a word or phrase and that will pull up results for you as well. However, today I'm going to do a search for Mark Twain as an author because that will just pull up books that were written by Mark Twain. Once you hit the search button, it will take you to a list of the results, and as you can see here, all of these books were written by Mark Twain. Now let's say that instead of books written by Mark Twain, I want to find books written about Mark Twain. I can go back to the search box, and in the drop-down menu, instead of author, I'll select subject. Now when I hit search, I get materials that are about Mark Twain. See here I have titles like Mark Twain and the Cambridge Introduction to Mark Twain. So say that I want to find out more about that book. If I click on the title, it will take me to that book's record. And here I can find out information like the author's name, publication information, and down here it will tell me if the book is available or if it's checked out. Right here it says that the location is in the main collection, and that means that it is here. If the book was not available, it would say material is checked out. Also, if the material were located anywhere else but the main collection, it would say so here. For example, it may say reference or reserve shelf to indicate that it was in the reference section or on reserve. Other locations include the DVD, juvenile, or young adult sections. We can also see the call number right here. And this is important. PS 1331 M47 2007. This is the number that we're going to write down so that we can find it in the library. Okay, let's go back to the main search page and say I want to get a little bit more specific in my search. Say that I want to find out if the SRC has any movies about Mark Twain. For this search, we're going to have to click on the Power Search option. And again, I'm going to enter Mark Twain into the search bar. And then down here in location, I'm going to click DVD. So now I'm searching for any DVD that is about Mark Twain. And once I hit the search, it'll bring up our results. And you can see that we have two results, Mark Twain and Great Authors of the Western Literary Tradition. And once I click on the record, I can see down here that the location says DVDs, and that means that it's located in the DVD section. And again, here is the call number that I'm going to write down to use to find it. Now, the other thing that the Power Search is good for is if you have multiple searching terms. Say that you want to find all of the Chronicles of Narnia books by C.S. Lewis. If you just search for Narnia as a word, you will also get books about the Narnia series included in your results. And if you search for books by C.S. Lewis, you will get all of his books that we have at the SRC and not just the Narnia ones. The Power Searching screen lets us search for the books that have Narnia in their record and C.S. Lewis as the author. So here I'm going to include Narnia in the record and the author as C.S. Lewis. And once I hit search, you can see now that we've limited down to just the books in the Narnia series by C.S. Lewis. So I hope that that gives you a good idea of how you can use the SRC catalog to search for library materials. Please remember that if you are having problems finding anything, that the librarians and the student workers can help you out.